Okay.
Hey guys, it's your boy JR back again. And you know what time it is, right? That's right, fitness is life. Yeah, so yesterday evening, foolishly, I went and played football and I got myself injured, torn my hamstring. And this morning, I tried to do interval training with my squadron, and that didn't even go well because I didn't even get to start. Yeah, so right now I'm in a lot of pain. Over the years, I've been training really hard and I got a lot of injuries. And one of the things that helped me a lot are these bad boys right here, foam rollers, yeah? The problem is, before I used to just buy the cheap ones. Yeah, it's cheap, it's easy to get. Buy them, but within a week they lose the shape and they're not fit for purpose. I have to buy, and then it become expensive. Sometimes I even go out and buy a brand name one without even do research or anything on it. And then all you're doing is buying the brand. And it's very expensive, it's very costly. So a few weeks ago, I went on Amazon searching for a good foam roller, done my research and everything, and I came across this one, yeah? It's made by some guys called Jim Sati. Yeah, as you can see there, Jim Sati. But you see the name on the screen, also you'll see it in the description. Yeah, I'll also put the link in the description also where I find it on Amazon. They come in two colors, blue and pink. So if you're into pink, you can get that. If you're into blue, you can get that. Not only that, it come 3 in 1. 3 in 1. So you have the foam roller itself, you have the massage peanut, well, the peanut ball, yeah? So it's like 2 massage ball in 1. And then one of my favorite, the massage stick, yeah? And guess the price for this on Amazon, yeah? Inside, you have a solid plastic that does not lose its shape, and also you have the foam outside. The foam is not too hard, and you have these nodules on top as well that simulate like a therapist massaging into your muscle tissue. So, like I said, the foam is not too hard, and so it's not unbearable when you're using it as well. This really helps me with my getting rid of that toxin that builds up between your muscle when you train. It helped me to relax, and it's not only work for people who phys or gym. It also work for people that goes to work as well, that you come home and you have like sore legs, sore feet, sore arms, sore neck, sore back. It helps, yeah, it helps you to relax, yeah, release that tension. So this right here is like a blessing for me. As you can see, it still look brand new. I've been using it for a few weeks now and it still look brand new, yeah? Haven't changed one bit. It look like I just take it out the pack, yeah? This is essential, and I advise people to go on Amazon and get one because, like I say, injuries, there's nothing worse than having injuries, especially when you're at your peak training really hard as well, and you think you're gaining progress, whether your intention is to lose weight, gain muscle. There's nothing worse than getting an injury that slows you down, yeah? And this helps with your recovery. It's been working for me, so I have no complaint for it. But like I say, I use it every single day, yeah? So go on Amazon, check this out, yeah? These guys are also soldiers as well, yeah? And give them the support because this thing here, it actually works. It really works. It's not too expensive, and you get 3 in 1. 3 in 1, yeah? Go on Amazon right now. Guaranteed, if you go on Amazon right now, you're not gonna find a quality foam roller like this. 3 in 1. Went last night, check as well, and one of them was for 45 quid, and you only get the foam roller itself, yeah? There was another one for 60 quid, 60 pounds. And again, just the foam roller. This one you get in 3 in 1, yeah? You have this one, the massage stick, you can use for your quads, you can use for your calf muscle, you can get your partner to help you massage as well. You have the peanut as well, you can use for the sole in your feet, you can use for your neck. Like I said, these things are essential. I love them, yeah? Your health come first. Some people worried about, oh yeah, it costs too much money, yeah? This is something that benefits you, so go and check it out. Like I say, check the link in the description below if you can't find it on Amazon, but they're called Jim Sati, yeah? Name on the screen, Jim Sati. Boom.